How to get Facebook Marketplace back. If your Facebook Marketplace option is not showing, just follow these simple steps. The first thing you have to do is open up your Facebook app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, as you can see on the top of my navigation bar, I don't have the Facebook Marketplace option. I have home, I have videos, I have gaming, then I have my profile and notifications. So what you want to do here is simply head over to your menu icon at the top right and then scroll down until you find settings and privacy. So actually your Facebook Marketplace is not hidden because you can find it on these shortcuts right here. Here is Marketplace. So what you want to do is head over to your settings and privacy and then settings. Scroll down until you find this tab bar. Here you're going to have an option to customize the bar. And it's most probably that your Facebook Marketplace is hidden or set to auto. And if you want to show it, you just have to tap on it and then tap on pin. What it does is it will pin the Marketplace tab. Now if you go back and then refresh, what will happen is your Facebook Marketplace will show up. So let me just clear this out and then open up Facebook again. So as you can see, the Marketplace option is right now showing. So if I just tap on it, it will take me directly to Facebook Marketplace. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.